stands. Before this orange juice reaches your breakfast table, it travels through a remarkable process involving millions of oranges, advanced technology. Every day, millions of people enjoy orange juice, but few have seen how it is truly made. The journey begins in vast orchards, where oranges grow under months of careful cultivation. These massive farms produce thousands of tons of fruit every harvest season.
Before harvesting, experts inspect the fruit to ensure only the best oranges are selected.
Modern irrigation technology delivers precise amounts of water, helping every tree produce healthier fruit with consistent flavor and quality. After months of sunlight, rainfall, and careful attention, young fruit slowly develops into the sweet oranges we recognize today. As harvest season begins, skilled teams prepare to gather thousands of oranges each day from these productive orchards.
Each orange is carefully harvested to prevent damage, preserving freshness, quality, and flavor before transportation to the factory.
Within only a few hours, massive quantities of freshly harvested fruit begin filling containers across the entire plantation. With harvesting complete, the oranges begin an important journey toward a state-of-the-art facility where transformation begins. After leaving the orchards, the fruit finally arrives at a sophisticated processing facility designed to handle thousands of tons daily.
Every truck is carefully scheduled, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh oranges reaches the factory without unnecessary delays.
At the unloading area, enormous quantities of oranges are transferred onto conveyor systems that begin the processing journey. Advanced conveyor networks transport the fruit efficiently, while automated systems monitor movement throughout the facility.
Before processing begins, each batch undergoes inspection to identify damaged fruit and maintain strict quality standards.
The incoming harvest is accurately weighed, allowing operators to track production volumes and processing efficiency. Once recorded, the fruit moves deeper into the facility, where automated systems prepare it for cleaning and sorting. The first major step is washing, where powerful cleaning systems remove dust, dirt, and field residue from every orange.
High-pressure sprays thoroughly clean the fruit, ensuring that only fresh and hygienic oranges continue through production.
Rotating brushes provide a final deep cleaning, leaving every orange spotless and ready for the next processing stage. Now perfectly cleaned, the oranges begin moving through an advanced sorting network, where speed, precision, and quality work together. Powerful optical scanners examine every orange in seconds, identifying size, color, texture, and any visible imperfections. Using information from the scanners, automated systems instantly separate fruit into different quality categories. Any fruit that fails to meet strict requirements is removed, ensuring consistent quality throughout the entire production process. Only the best oranges continue forward, preparing for the most important stage of the journey, juice extraction. These powerful extraction systems are engineered to process thousands of oranges every hour with remarkable efficiency.
As the fruit enters the machinery and specialized equipment carefully opens each orange to access the juice inside.
Within moments, fresh orange juice begins flowing through the system, while the extraction process continues non-stop.
Thousands of liters of freshly extracted juice move through sanitary pipelines toward the next processing stage.
Specialized separators carefully control the amount of pulp, creating the texture consumers expect in every bottle. The extracted pulp is collected separately, allowing manufacturers to create different juice varieties and products. After extraction, the juice is transferred into enormous storage tanks, capable of holding vast quantities safely.
Every stage is monitored in real time, ensuring efficiency, consistency, and strict adherence to production standards.
Samples are regularly collected and tested to verify flavor quality and safety and nutritional consistency.
Modern laboratory technology helps specialists confirm that every batch meets rigorous industry requirements before approval.
Measurements of sweetness, acidity, and composition ensure the juice maintains a balanced and refreshing taste.
Only after passing multiple inspections can the juice continue further through the manufacturing process.
Behind the scenes, a complex network of tanks and pipelines keeps production running continuously around the clock. Next, the juice enters one of the most critical stages, a process that helps ensure safety, quality, and long shelf life. The carefully protected juice now moves toward advanced treatment systems designed to preserve freshness and flavor. To protect quality and safety, the juice enters a carefully controlled pasteurization system designed to eliminate harmful microorganisms. Inside these advanced systems, temperature is monitored constantly, ensuring the juice receives precise treatment without sacrificing flavor. Rapid cooling prevents quality loss while preparing the product for storage and bottling operations ahead. The treated juice is transferred into enormous storage tanks, where conditions are carefully controlled around the clock. These tanks serve as temporary reservoirs, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted flow throughout the factory. Before bottling begins, additional samples are collected to verify that every batch meets exact specifications.
Teams of specialists perform detailed examinations, confirming flavor, consistency, and safety and overall product quality. Every test result contributes to important decisions that determine whether production can continue forward.
Only batches meeting all requirements receive approval, allowing them to proceed toward final packaging. After passing inspection, the juice begins its final journey toward one of the busiest areas of the factory. Here, millions of bottles can be filled, packaged, and prepared for distribution with remarkable speed. Before filling begins, every bottle must pass through a series of cleaning and inspection procedures.
Powerful vision systems inspect each bottle, searching for imperfections that could affect product quality. Specialized cleaning equipment ensures every container is perfectly prepared before receiving the finished juice. With preparation complete, thousands of bottles advance toward the filling machines in a continuous flow. The moment has arrived, as fresh orange juice enters the bottles that will soon reach consumers around the world. At incredible speed, the filling line carefully measures and dispenses the exact amount of juice into every bottle. Advanced filling equipment ensures consistency, allowing every bottle to contain the same high-quality product. Once filled, the bottles immediately continue to the next stage, where they will be securely sealed. Powerful capping machines secure every bottle, protecting the juice from contamination during storage and transport. Trained quality control teams continuously monitor production, ensuring every bottle meets strict standards for safety, appearance, and consistency.
With sealing complete, each bottle receives a professionally applied label containing important product and nutritional information.
Modern labeling equipment maintains exceptional precision, while thousands of bottles continue moving through production every hour. Production dates and batch information are added to every bottle, providing complete traceability from factory to consumer. Now completely filled, sealed, and labeled, the orange juice is ready for packaging before beginning its journey to stores around the world.
Sophisticated equipment arranges the bottles into precise groups, allowing the packaging process to operate efficiently.
The grouped bottles are carefully placed into trays that help protect the product during transportation. A protective wrapping layer secures the bottles together, helping prevent movement and damage during shipping. As the packages pass through a heat tunnel and the film tightens, creating strong and stable bundles.
Before shipment, trained inspectors perform another review to ensure packaging quality meets factory standards.
Before shipment, trained inspectors perform another review to ensure packaging quality meets factory standards. Once approved, the packaged juice is stacked onto pallets, preparing large quantities for transportation. From the factory distribution center, and the finished juice begins traveling across cities and towns to reach retailers. After completing their journey, The products arrive at stores where employees prepare them for customers.
Make sure the dates are aligned. Got it. This orange juice is really flying off the shelves. Good thing we just got a big shipment.
For many families across America, this simple purchase represents a long journey from orchard harvesting to modern factory production. Every refreshing glass contains the results of countless steps working together from orchard to bottle. From carefully grown oranges to the finished drink on your table, and this is the extraordinary journey of modern orange juice production.